Okay, part 19, tanong, kailan pwedeng palit ng union? Yung mga tao ayaw na dun sa kanilang union, gusto nilang magpalit. Kailan sila pwedeng mag-file ng certification election? Kailan sila pwedeng mag-file ng certification election? Or more appropriately, kailan sila hindi pwedeng mag-file ng certification election? So when is it not allowed for the employees to ask for a petition for certification election? First, within the certification year. Uh, Kasi certify pa lang ng union, wala pa nga isang taon, gusto niyo na magpalit dahil nagbago isip nyo, nakita nyo, hindi pala performing, kailangan magantay kayo ng isang taon. Pagbigay nyo muna, within the certification year, the 1 year period following the certification of a union, hindi kayo pwedeng mag-file. In this period, there can be no holding of a certification election. It is in this period that the union is required to negotiate a CBA with the employer. Ang sistema is that within that certification year, at 2023 na-certify sila, 2023 to 2024, doon sila makikipag collective bargaining agreement Doon sila magne-negotiate na palang CBA. So wala muna. I mean, status quo muna. Wala pa nga nangyayari. Pagbigyan muna natin, kumbaga sa dahan-dahan lang. Within the certification year or 1 year following the certification of a union, hindi kayo pwedeng mag-file ng certification election. Yon. Okay. Nag-CBA na, nag-negotiate, na-approve na yung CBA. There is already an existing CBA. Hindi nyo nagustuhan yung union o hindi nyo nagustuhan yung terms and conditions ng CBA, wala naman palang kwenta tong union na to, wala naman kwenta yung CBA na ginawa nila, tinanong mo yung kasama mo, meron na bang 1 year? Meron na palang 1 year. O sige, mag-file na tayo ng certification election. Hindi pa rin. Kasi if there is already an existing CBA, hindi kayo pwedeng mag-file ng certification election. There is already a CBA, a collective bargaining agreement. This is a contract. This contract will bar you or will prohibit you from asking for a petition for certification election. Ito yung tinatawag na contract bar rule o contract bar doctrine. If there is a contract, when I say contract, it's the CBA, hindi kayo pwedeng mag-file ng certification election kasi existing pa yung CBA nyo. May exception dito yung Firestone case, sabi ng Supreme Court, except when a company, union, and employer maliciously coordinated with each other to force a CBA to prevent the entry of an independent union or a charter union. Ang nangyari dito sa kasong to, dito sa Firestone case, may kumpanya, may mga bataan siya doon sa kumpanya. Sabi niya mag-ano kayo, mag-form kayo ng union. Bata ko kayo mag-file kayo ng union. Sabi ng mga bata niya, sige sir,